Okay, I will share to you about how to make mixed-use building with rooftop. Okay, first of all, we have to make the basic shape with rotated rectangle. We can start from here, and we can set the value about the mixed-use building around 30 meter or um, 30,000 millimeter, and the depth of the building it's around um, it's around 50 meter. Okay, approximately just like this, and then we have to push it up until get the thickness around 1.2 meter, and triple click, right click, and make group, and we can try to make component, create, and then we can select a move, press Control, then duplicate it in both. Then we can set the floor to ceiling approximately around 6 meter for the ground floor. Then we can set the floor to ceiling for the upper floor around 3.5 meter only. Okay. Okay, and I will show you about the dimension first with using this dimension. This is about the floor to ceiling dimension. You can see about it. Then I will erase it. Then we can just move and duplicate it. Move and duplicate this slab, and by click this object, click move, and then click this bottom object, and then we can press Control on our keyboard and click on this position. Then we can type X 20 and enter. Okay, for example, just like this. And now we can make the another element. We can make the core building. We can make the core building approximately. We look at it at in the middle of the building, approximately in this position, around 8 meter. We can offset it around 8 meter approximately. Okay, and enter, and we can move it a little bit to the behind around 10 meter. Okay, and we can push it we can push the rectangle until the ground floor. Okay, and then we get it, and we can triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, triple click. Okay, we can delete this one. We can delete unnecessary rectangle anyway. Then we can complete for the box of the core building with another material. Okay, we can select the another material with material in here. Okay, then we get the basic shape of the mixed use building. This is a basic shape of the mixed use building, and also we can make we can make group it we can make group it, and right click and make group. I suggest you to separate the building only and the core. So this building is on the group, and the core is separated with the building. Okay, so because we can also modify the building only. Okay, then we can make the another element. This is about the secondary skin. I suggest you to focus from the upper ground floor first. You have to focus for the upper ground floor until the um, rooftop with using the rectangle. You can using with rectangle for every single side of building. You can push it to the front around 300 millimeter. Then you can push it up around 2 meter because it's about parapet building. Triple click, right click, and make group. And you can also make the another element with using this one rectangle. Then you can push it to the front around 300. Okay, then you can triple click, right click, and make group, and then you can click and push it up until this position. Then you can select a move and press Control, and then place on this position. Okay, you can select a move, press Control until send to this position. Okay, so you can get the basic shape, and you can also make the another transparent material. You can use glass and mirror. You can use glass and mirror, and you can select glass as you want. If you want to make the black, you can assign with the dark glass material over there, and you can get the shape like this. And then you can set the opaque material. You choose clear or opaque material, and you can set the value of the darkness of this commercial building. It's depend on your style anyway. And okay, so I will give you example for making the frame of the outside. We can move it first, move it to the another place first. Okay, we can move it to the another place, for example, just like this, and then we can set the frame over there. We can set the frame with using the frame material. We can using the rectangle, and then click start from here, and then we can type maybe around 150 millimeter for the width of the frame, and then we can set the height of the frame until the rooftop over there. I'm sorry, we can set this one 150, then we can set the width of the frame, then we can set 300 approximately. Okay, then we can push it up until this position, and then we can triple click, right click, and make group. And I will show you the difference material about this frame to um, make us easy about the difference between the another element over there. Okay, so we can click, right click, and make component, create, and then we can select move, press Control, then we can place on this position, and then we can type 20 slash and enter. Okay, so we can get the frame, the main frame of the vertical facade, and then we can set the another horizontal material with using the any size of rectangle. With using the any size of rectangle, you have to set the size of the facade with your engineer, because the engineer will calculate the more detail about it. Okay, and then you can move it down until this position. Okay, then you can try to make group this one, make group, and then you can select a move and duplicate it approximately in this position, and then you can duplicate it again. Okay, to for each floor over there, and then we can type x20, enter. So it will be arranged automatically by the um, floor composition, and then you can select move, and then you can place on this position. You can place on this position. Okay, so you can maximize the corner for every single corner on this building anyway, and and then we can also move it up around 3.5 meter. I'm sorry, we can move it up around 3.5 meter for the core building element, and then we can also make the another unique facade material. Maybe we can just make the another secondary skin. We can duplicate the secondary skin, yes. Maybe for this position we have to make the curvy. We can also make the curvy to make the artistic and um, functional for the high-rise building. Okay, so we can duplicate it, and then we can make the approximately, maybe we can just use the metal material, and we can select this metal, create, then we can also make the another dimension. Okay, we can also adjust the dimension. We can adjust it, for example, just like this. Okay, we can also, okay, we can drag to the another position, and we can also drag to the another position. Okay, then okay, we can just make the another attractive material over there. We can just make the attractive material maybe approximately just like this. Okay, then we can make the curvy with a 2-point arc. with the 2-point arc. Okay, this one, and then we can triple click, and in this position. Okay, then we can push it to the limit, and also we can click this every single line. Then we can offset it offset it inside until the position around 3 meter approximately. Okay, this one, and then we can just push it until the limit for the unnecessary object. Okay, then we can also make the duplication of it. Right click and make component, create. Then we can select a move, press Control, and then we can place on this position. Okay, and then we can type 30 slash and enter. Okay, this one. So if you feel it too high, if you feel it too high for the, if you feel it too crowded, you can repeat again by decrease the value of your multiple copy. You click this position and then you can type 20 slash and enter. Okay, approximately maybe just like this, and you can also adjust for this secondary facade, secondary skin, with using the move on this area only. Okay, this one. Okay, then you can also make the another element of this ground floor with using a schematic window only of by select offset and offset inside around 100. Okay, then you can erase, then you can push it up until this position, triple click, right click, make group. Then you can set the um, transparent material also, and also you can make the another entrance element over there. You can make the entrance element, and okay, this is okay, you can offset it to this position, and then you can erase it. Okay, you can push it to the front, okay, until like this. Okay, you can move, and you can do make adjustment about this canopy over there. Okay, then you can duplicate this face. You can duplicate this face, then you can push it to this position also. Okay, triple click, right click, and make group. And also you can make the little canopy. You can make the little canopy over there by using this rectangle. Okay, select this three line and offset it inside um, as you want. Then you can click and delete for unnecessary line. Then you can push it to the front, triple click, right click, and make group. And then also you can make the terrace area or hallway. This is about the hallway area, and make group. Okay, you can make the extend canopy over there, and this one. This is about the. It's just for the schematic. It's just for schematic concept only, not for too detail. But this is about the principle of making the 3D model of it. Okay, so and after that you can also adjust it. Can also adjust it, or I think it will be more beautiful. I think it will be more beautiful to make the sorry. I think it will be more beautiful to make the another innovation with you can click this one by 3 meter, move and duplicate about the line about 3 meter. Okay, then you can make the curvy on this position. You can push it down, you can push it until the limit, and will be um, it will be more representative and more iconic. I mean, so you can set the glass material on this area, and it's done anyway. Okay, so and you can also set the frame schematic by click this line, select a move, press Control, Then click on this position, and then you can type 20 slash and enter. This is just for schematic purpose of the building. Okay, and then you can also set the material with the blue material. Maybe the blue material is more um, iconic, it's more modern look, and on this position. And then you can set the darkness of this blue color of this building. Okay, then you can set the component. You can set the another component as you want by select the component on this right tab. You can select the component sampler, and you can select the car, maybe about the car. Okay, maybe you can select the car, and you can move it to duplicate. It's just for illustration anyway. It's just for illustration, so you can set the people over there. You can set for the silhouette people for make the more representative, and you can also make the another element such as a stair over there. Okay, it's just for basic example. You have to explore more about the detail of the stair. Okay, it's just for example, and then you can move, duplicate, and then you can rotate it 90 degree, and you can place on this position, and you can scale it until the desired position. Okay, I think it is enough. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And you can also improve this building. You can also improve this building to develop your skill or develop your design capability of the schematic high-rise building. And thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And just wait for my next video about the commercial building also. And I'll try to change the style of this um, building. Maybe I just make the ambient occlusion about it. Okay, this one, and okay, this is okay. I mean, it's representative enough for the high-rise building. Anyway, okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And okay, you can also set this material to be more aesthetic, and representative. I mean, and you can select this one. You can modify with this curve. Then you can push it to the limit. Okay, okay. I mean, it was um, the more beautiful than before anyway. And you can just only delete this one, or you can make the another glass material over there by using the glass material in this area. Maybe you can using the glass area by select this one, click this line, okay, and then you can copy, then close from the group, and then you can paste in place, and then you can offset it outside approximately just like this. Okay, and then you can set the glass material over there. Double click my group, and you can extend it. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video.